you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I know it's been almost 2 months since I did not uploaded any video, but believe me guys, I was really busy. I had some very important work that was supposed to be done before deadline, but now I'm back, so please don't go anywhere. Talking about today's video, I recently shopped a bit from Nykaa and I thought it would be great if I can just sit down and share everything with you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a very random Nykaa haul, and if this is something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the very first product that I picked up is this huge bottle of Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo. I have already washed my hair twice with this because I thought then I would be in a better position to talk about it. This is just like any other normal drugstore shampoo, but it does make your hair feel more smooth and shiny. So if you're looking for something like that, you can definitely try it out. The packaging is very good. It comes with a pump, you just have to press it and get the product out, so it's very convenient. Next up, I bought this Pantene Open Hair Miracle. I have heard a lot about this product and I wanted to try this out for the longest time. This is like a multi-purpose product. You can use it in 4 different ways: as an oil replacement, heat protectant, serum and hair conditioner. It contains fermented rice water and it somehow smells like fermented rice water. It is mentioned on the package itself that it contains fermented rice water, which is very good for your hair. So I'm very excited to try this product out. Next up are these cotton pads from Bella. Now if you have seen my previous Nykaa haul video, you would know I love cotton pads because I think they come really handy when it comes to removing makeup, putting toner or simply cleansing your face. So yeah, you should definitely have something like these. I ran out of them, so I thought of restocking. Next up we have this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I tell you why I bought this. So every time I would switch the TV on, there was this Alia Bhatt's ad saying Garnier Micellar, pour, press and swipe. I was so intrigued with the idea of pouring this on a cotton pad, then it will wipe off all your makeup in just one go, which I'm pretty sure is not gonna happen, but still I wanted to try this product out, so I bought it. It comes in 2 different variants. This one is for more like an everyday sort of makeup, and that other one with a yellow lid is for more stubborn and waterproof makeup. Next up I have these Bronzin Professional Facial Razors. I'll show you guys. They come in a set of 3. So these are the 3 facial razors. You can use them to do your brows, or you can even remove your facial hairs. If you're someone who does not like to go to salon every 2 to 3 weeks, then this is the product for you. और अभी भी बहुत सारे salons नहीं खुले हैं, so they come really handy. Also be very careful while using them because they are quite sharp. So I want to share a tip. Before you use these facial razors, just apply some aloe vera gel because that will make the entire process more smooth. And this is the right way to use these razors, otherwise you'll end up hurting yourself, which I really don't want. Next up I got this glimmer stick from Miss Claire in the shade white. I wanted to buy a white kajal, but it was out of stock, so I had to get this one. This is also quite pigmented. I'll show you. Just have a look. I don't know whether it is visible, but yeah. Next up I have these Gillette Venus razor refills. It is a set of 2 and the package says that it contains aloe vera extracts. I already have the Gillette razor and it's been almost 2 years since I'm using this razor. Guys, this is the best razor I have come across till date. Like, you just have to push this blue thing like this and the razor, like the blade, gets detached. I prefer shaving over waxing because that's much more convenient. So if you're someone who is into waxing and want to get started with shaving, then I think you should get your hands on these blades and the razor obviously. Guys, how can I forget makeup? So I bought this Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. It says that it's got SPF 28. I've heard people saying that this is good for oily skin, and I have oily skin. I think it is very much visible on the camera itself. So I got this, and I'm in the shade Natural Ivory 112. So that was pretty much it for today's video. I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box below. So in case you want to buy any product, you can just go through the links. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, you already know the drill, right? Like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time with a new video. Till then, bye.